Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn password and sign-in method step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type www.linkedin.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're not signed in, enter your email address and current password. Click the sign in button. Once signed in, locate your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to open the drop-down menu. Select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. In the Account Preferences section, look for the Change Password option. Click on Change Password. You will need to enter your current password. Then, enter your new password. Ensure your new password meets the security requirements. Re-enter your new password for confirmation. After that, click the Save Changes button. Your password will now be updated. To modify your sign-in method, stay in the Settings and Privacy section. Scroll down to the Login and Security area. Here, you'll find options for two-step verification. If you want to enable two-step verification, toggle the switch on. Follow the prompts to set it up using your phone number or authentication app. Once done, LinkedIn will guide you through ensuring your new sign-in method is set. Remember to log out and test your new password and sign-in method. You are now finished updating your LinkedIn password and sign-in method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.